guys, welcome to Science Speak. Today, I will be making a cannon. Yep, a cannon. So let's get started. I've been looking for a good place. That was my test cannon over there. See that thing? It went really bad because I didn't have a sticky piston. Yeah, if I don't have a piston, it's gonna end up like that. Oh, by the way, you really should watch my. Wait, what's this tree just in the middle of? No, that's the zoo tutorial ones. Get away, get away, get away. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, my zoo tutorial animals.
How do you write armor?
Oh my gosh, Eva, just. Oh, look at this.
How do you write armor?
Eva, stop. Eva, stop. Okay. Oh my gosh, did I literally just run into? Let's actually go into the nether because we don't want to blow up any of the precious overworld. Because, they can't follow me. They can't follow me here. What? No way.
Is that how you spell armor?
No. Just
Tell me.
Stop asking me questions. What the heck? Oh, that was my piston work thing.
Just tell me how.
Eva, no.
Just tell me.
Not now.
How to write something.
Oh my gosh.
Just tell me how to write
No
something.
way. Get away. You dogs. Cats from the zoo tutorial. Oh, fine, I can mess around with them, but not for long. Okay, so you gotta do this. 3 blocks high. You got 2 gap space. No. 1, 2. Okay. More. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. Now we do this. Up-a-do. Okay, here we go. Now you do this. Two gap space for everything. Oh, they'll probably be stuck in the nether, won't they? No, is that a ravine? Can't be. No, I forgot to get my piston. Sticky piston. Hello. Okay, here we go. So I need dispensers. We do need black concrete. Uh-huh. No. Fine. Get rid of this. No. Oh, no, 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 no. That was a mistake. You kill my... Angry. Did that have to be my dog? No. Now for this, you have to... Now for this, you have to crouch, do this, this. Crouch again. There we go. There we go. Okay. No. Uh-huh. No. Uh-huh. No. Is it facing that way? Yes. There. What the heck?
So how do you eat things? How do you eat things? How do you eat things?
Oh, you right click. You're holding the fruit. My sister's got a lot of questions about Minecraft. Oh my gosh. Jeez. No. I guess that's how you build a cannon. It always has to blow up, doesn't it? And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Bye.